If you look at my screen, I got a control network here. And in my control network, I have my ignition system, OPC UA, and then I'm going to install Pi connector for OPC UA inside the control network. After I did that, I was able to connect to the source, to the OPC UA, by specifying the path of OPC.TCP, that kind of thing, to get it set up. So it say, okay, it can connect. Middle is the DMC. We install the connector relay and the data collection manager on the DMC because I don't want to put it in the business network, because IT will not allow us to bridge between control network and business. Open a firewall between them needs a lot of paperwork and approval. So we have to do in stages. That's why we have to hop to DMC and then from DMC to business. And that's why we put those two components inside DMC. And then they are free port you need to open. And I installed both of these software on the same machine. On that same machine, I need to tell IT, hey, 5671 to be open, and because it is listening, and then 5672 for Pi data collection managers, and also this custom port 5461. It can be something else for you when you install Pi data collection manager. So this is customizable, and you need to tell IT, hey, I need this port to be open temporary if you like. But I leave it open. Didn't ask IT to close it. But this is important because you need to register your connector to the data collection manager. And then so that the website can see it, and then they say approve. So you need to do that step in order to get everything running. So this free port is necessary to be open, and they are listening when you install those connector relay and data collection manager. And then I think when you are familiar with business network stuff, the data archive, which should already have 5450 open, and then also 5457 for your AF server. Once you have these port open, you would be able to set up your graphical interface for the Pi connectors. You can overcome less obstacle because this is the major one. You couldn't get anything to work if you don't have ports open.